Hey guys, welcome back. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the J Learning and Angel Baby Show.
Yeah, he's my big brother.
So, hey guys, Angel has this cool thing he wanted to share with you. Captain Hook.
Yeah, Captain Hook.
Yeah. Isn't this supposed to go like that? But anyways, but no. Wait. Do it at the camera. Ready? Oh, that is one. Epic fail. But anyways, I just want to say, hey guys, how are you doing? We want to know. Because you guys... There's one right here. You put that in. I'll get his mouth. Anyways, we love you guys, and Angel just wants to say, hello, lightning babies!
Angel baby, so.
Go get it,
That is funny. That was
So, yeah. So, he just wanted to show you this. Boom. So, if you guys want to see me get hit by it, Angel, you're going to try to hit me with it. Alright? Alright? Alright. You guys better enjoy this video. You better share it. You better give it a like. You promise us, right? Oh!
Yes!
So anyways, guys, I just want to say hi. How you doing? How you doing? It's just that Angel wanted to show you his cool little pirate toy. And yeah. So anyways, hey guys, you know, it's the J Learning and Angel Baby Show. And me and Angel were thinking of names. If we should name you guys, like, if we could just call you guys, but guys and girls, but actually I thought of Lightning Baby, so you guys, J Lightning and Angel Baby, Lightning Babies. Congratulations, Lightning Babies! I hope you share this video, Lightning Babies.
Oh.
Captain.
Good to see you. I think.
So this video has been now 2 and 56 seconds. And
there's a hole go here. This goes here.
More of the camera right there. And you can't see Angel's full face because she doesn't want to get in the camera right now. But if you want to see more boxing or more being silly, you know what? Comment of what's more of things we should do, and whoever gets the most votes win. Yeah, that's what we can do. So Angel,
I can put.
Hell, here, I got it. So Angel got this new toy. Angel, you want to talk? Yeah, you talk. Others, tell him.
Mine makes my boyfriend and I love JJ.
Oh, thank you. So yeah, guys, and yeah. So comment and subscribe to the J Learning and
Angel Baby Show.
Please share this video.
Peace.
You know what to do.